Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the file. Make sure there's enough storage space. Once done, open Drive. Google.com or the Drive app on mobile, then navigate directly to the folder containing the photo you want to update. You should decide now whether you'll overwrite the existing file or upload a new version to keep history. Doing that up front saves confusion later. It also determines whether you'll use Replace, Manage Versions, or simple Delete and Upload. Next, replace the photo by right-clicking the existing file and choosing Manage Versions, then Upload New Version. This keeps links and sharing intact. Alternatively, if you want a fresh file, click New right arrow File Upload and add the photo, then rename or move it into the same folder. On mobile, tap the file's three-dot menu and pick Replace or Upload depending on your OS. Make sure file types match expected formats and allow time for sync before moving on to sharing adjustments. Finally, confirm the upload finished by previewing the image in Drive. Check timestamps and file size to verify it's the right version. Once satisfied, make sure sharing permissions remained correct. Adjust viewers/editors as needed and resend links if collaborators can't see it. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache, force a Drive sync on mobile, or re-upload the file using a different browser. One quick tip: use Manage Versions to restore the prior file if the replacement wasn't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.